Hi, welcome back to today's morning report on Friday the 22nd of May with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Tantech Markets. I'm going to look at sterling dollar now, and cable is still in this big uptrend. That big push high yesterday just reaffirmed that uptrend. Look at these momentum indicators, all nicely configured. Stochastics just beginning to turn up again, RSI still positive. MACD lines come together, however still positive. And I still think this outlook is fairly positive for cable across the board. Just very near term, this is the move we've had on the hourly chart. Had this sharp break high yesterday, and we've basically been consolidating sideways since then between that sort of old support at 56.30. Interestingly enough, that's just capped the downside in the last few minutes actually, before sort of the support started to come back in again, to maintain this range. And that is the resistance of that range comes in at 57 figure, again an old sort of pivot level resistance. So you're sort of trading within sort of 70 pips worth of resistance now, or trading range, sorry I should say. I think that what we're seeing is just the momentum indicators just unwind nicely within this range, so that should hopefully help to build up some upside potential, or sort of renew upside potential I should say, for the next move higher. But certainly it looks like at the moment cable's consolidating rather than in any real decline. But I would say that sort of dips on cable I think now a chance to sell, because looking at the strength of this uptrend, I'm just impressed by pretty much all of the indicators on the daily chart now, and I think that dips in this chart are now should be considered to be a chance to buy. So I think that we're probably going to have a rally back towards a test ultimately of these highs around this 58 figure. Again, I'm not saying that I think it's going to break out. I just think this is it's got further legs to run in this move higher in the near term. I think cable on the medium to longer term, I think cable is going to be very choppy, but certainly in the near term, the strength of this uptrend I think suggests that we've got a little bit further to run on the upside yet. We could still see that, and sort of buying into corrections is arguably the way to play this. I mean, just even looking at this chart here, if I run that back a little bit, this 55-hour moving average, for example, it's been a pretty decent gauge through this run higher, then turned over, and we've seen that turn up again. So perhaps that is also an indicator to look out for. The 55.93 is where that comes in at the moment. So trading above that nicely, and I think it dips back towards that may well be seen as a chance to buy, and that would also coincide with this sort of 55.90 support that we had as sort of like a breakout level yesterday. So as I said, dips a chance to buy on cable, and I think it's going to be just testing higher once again in due course. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.